How are you? What happened to your chin? Where's your chin? Oh, it's hiding over behind your beard. Okay, are you ready, Cholo? Who taught your palette? Mommy. Where's mom? There. Hi, mommy.
Okay, here's your question, Paula. Your question is, how can you save water? How can you save water, diba?
Save the water.
Don't save the water. Oh, very good. Simple answer, but you got it right. Do not play with water, especially this time of
El Nino.
Very good, Jola.
Thank you very much, Francis. So